Ever wondered what HOPR coin is and how it works? You're in the right place. HOPR, in essence, is a privacy-preserving protocol, a new player in the world of cryptocurrencies. It was created with a bold purpose to provide network-level and metadata privacy for every kind of data exchange. Think of it as a protective cloak for your online activities. Born in the era of digital revolution, HOPR coin has its roots in the growing need for privacy and security in our increasingly interconnected world. It's not just about financial transactions, but any data exchange that happens over the internet. In an age where data is the new oil, HOPR coin is like a secure pipeline, ensuring that your data, your digital identity, travels safely without being tracked or traced. So in simple terms, HOPR is a new way of securing your online identity and transactions. Now that we know what HOPR is, let's dive into how it works. HOPR utilizes a concept known as mixnet. Think of it as a digital game of hide and seek. Your data is shuffled and mixed with others, making it challenging for prying eyes to trace your online activity. This way, HOPR ensures both privacy and security for its users. And how does it achieve this, you may ask? Well, meet the HOPR nodes. These nodes are the backbone of the network, passing messages from one to another, each time mixing and obscuring the data a little more. It's like passing a secret message in a crowded room. By the time it reaches its destination, no one knows where it originally came from. Now, where do HOPR tokens come in? These tokens are incentives for people to run these nodes. The more you support the network, the more you earn. It's a win-win situation. In essence, your data is shuffled and mixed with others, making it nearly impossible for anyone to track your online activity. By now, you must be wondering about the potential of HOPR coin. In an age where privacy and security are no longer guaranteed, HOPR is stepping up as a beacon of hope. This unique cryptocurrency is built around the principle of providing secure, private communication channels. This is not just a coin, it's a movement towards a safer online ecosystem. The potential growth of HOPR coin is closely tied to the increasing demand for privacy and security. As more people become aware of their digital footprint, the value and demand for HOPR coin are likely to skyrocket. But it's not just about growth. It's about the unique selling points of HOPR. The coin is more than a financial asset. It's a tool for change, empowering individuals to protect their online privacy. With its unique technology, HOPR is set to revolutionize how we interact online, offering a more secure and private internet experience. With HOPR, the future of online privacy and security looks promising. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about HOPR coin. HOPR, a unique cryptocurrency, is more than just a digital asset. It's an integral part of a privacy-focused data exchange protocol. This coin, in essence, rewards users for running nodes, essentially creating a decentralized and privacy-preserving network. We've also dived into the workings of HOPR coin. It's not your regular cryptocurrency. The HOPR protocol combines both a Layer 0 privacy foundation and a tokenized system to incentivize network participants. This dual strategy makes it stand out in the crowded crypto space. Furthermore, we've discussed the potential of HOPR coin. Given the growing concerns about data privacy and the rising trend of decentralization, HOPR coin could very well be at the forefront of a new wave of digital transformation. And there you have it, a quick, comprehensive guide to understanding HOPR coin. Remember, the path to financial freedom starts with knowledge. Keep exploring, keep learning,